A man walks into a convenience store in Whitehall, Ohio. The clerk does what clerks do as the guy strolls the store. Now she stands ready as the man heads for the counter. It turns out he just wants to ask for directions and get some change. The nice lady decides to help, since things are pretty quiet tonight. But they're not quiet for long. Suddenly, the man lunges for the cash register and rips out the money tray. He takes the loot and heads into the night. Fortunately, a cop happens to be driving by and catches the bold bandit several blocks away.